80, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So, we got a big update for the Big Turbo 535. And also, I don't remember if I show y'all the new dome pipe that I made. So now we don't got any hood exit no more, man. I just made a new full dome pipe from a regular 3-inch pipe to like a over 3-inch. But before y'all reach any far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And as y'all can see, we're on the 95 right now. So yeah, man, make sure y'all want to sit back and relax and watch the full video. Alright guys, so the reason why I haven't like posted videos daily, because I've been trying to get this thing right, man. Been trying to figure out some wiring, because the map sensor wasn't communicating with the O2 sensor, man. So I had to go through a whole lot of shit. So that's what I've been up to. But finally we got this shit running, man. So right now I'm in the process of like data logging and all of that good stuff, getting this shit running right. So tonight probably I'm gonna hit up my boy so we could do like a boost leak test on the whole system, like a smoke test. So that's what I got in mind. So that's the move for tonight. So, but right now I'm going to work right now. So after I leave work, I'm gonna have to hit him up, and then we're gonna do the boost leak test. Make sure everything running right. So that's the goal, man. So this video basically I like update POV, if y'all want to call it that. Got some nice C8s outside today. But right now the car is running kind of rich. My AFR is like way at fucking 20, 27, somewhere around here. So the tuner have some adjustments to do. So that's what we're doing right now. Stay tuned. We got some fun videos to drop, man. Got some fun videos to drop. Got a clean ass queue right there. As I said earlier into the video, we're just trying to get some shit running right, man. Make sure we eating boost and all of that. Make sure the car is running good, because right now it's running a little too rich. So we have that to clean up, and then also We got these door handles we're gonna swap out. I got some carbon fiber ones, so we're gonna swap these out, and probably we're gonna get some for these. Probably could buy some probably later or something. This damn exhaust almost sounds like the OEM downpipe, man. When I first take out the cat out of the downpipe, that's how it sounds right now with this 3-inch downpipe all the way back. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment downstairs in the comment section. And peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.